Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Purple color, brown color, orange color, dark green color, sky blue color, red color, yellow color, violet color, black color, light green color, dark blue color. A for aeroplane. A for avocado. B for bus. B for box. C for cucumber. C for candy. D for dolphin. D for doll. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. F for fan. G for gun. G for glass. H for house. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ink. J for juice. J for jellyfish. K for kite. K for kiwi. L for lollipop. L for lion. M for monkey. M for moon. N for nose. N for nurse. O for orange. O for ox. P for pineapple. P for parrot. Q for question. Q for queen. R for rose. R for ring. S for sky. S for sun. T for toy. T for train. U for universe. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for van. W for watermelon. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yum. Z. Z for zipper. Z. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello kids. Dark blue color, violet color, orange color, sky blue color, purple color, light green color, red color, yellow color, brown color. Today we'll learn some shapes. Heart, circle, cross, triangle, star, square. Heart. Circle. Cross. Triangle. Star. Square. Red color. Orange color. Light green color. Purple color. Yellow color. Dark blue color. Heart, circle, cross, triangle, star, square. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.